Hi everyone, this is Cyber here. I'm here today to bring you a new video. This video is me showing how to get your Xbox Game Pass for PC. I'm not sure if this will work with taking it to Xbox or how that works. I didn't look into that, but I was playing Psychonauts 2 on the Xbox Game Pass and I got it for PC. And I want to move my save over because I'm pretty far actually, and I didn't want to redo everything. So what I first did is I created a save with the new version I have. It doesn't automatically find it for some reason because they're saved in two different spots. So what I did is start a new game, which is this one right here. This is gonna be this PC, your C drive or wherever your Windows is installed, user, and then whatever your username, profile, app data, local, Psychonauts 2, saved, and then save game. And it's gonna be this file and this file. The back is just something I guess. Once I went in and checked it, made sure it was working, it made a backup of it, which is fine. So that's where the Windows one is. I'm going to show you guys where the Game Pass one is. Now, mine is in this PC, my Windows drive user, my user profile, which will be different from yours, app data, local, packages, then Microsoft, Psychonauts 2 with a whole bunch of numbers from behind, system app data, WGS, and then I'm going to go back so you can see there's 3 folders here that have all different numbers. I use the bottom one. The top one might actually work too because it's the same, looks like the same thing. But I for safety, I used the last one because I know that one worked. I didn't test the other one because I just figured it out. I was like, oh, I'm not show everyone this. You can do it with other games. Once you get the packages, you just look for that game and then just I assume it's gonna be sysapp data WGS and then the folder or whatever. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to move the save over. You want to take both the container and the whole number 11 file in the file. You want to copy that and then go to your desktop, click on your desktop, or you can put it in a folder, whatever. This is your main one, and this is like A is your main one, and I believe 0 is your secondary. What you want to do is let's go like this. You want to highlight it all, hit copy, and then go to this main one. And it's not going to copy over the save, so you gotta put dot save like that. Try to so that you guys can see it. See that? And then you want to take the 0 one, do the same thing to the other one. Now it will keep the 11, so we're just gonna delete the whole thing. And then you want to put dot save. Make sure you put the dot. It will ask you to change the extension. It might be unusable. And you hit yes. And then all you do is copy the one from the desktop right here. Copy it into where your save data is for the new version, which is where I showed you. And I'm not going to do that now because I already have it saved and backed up and all that. I don't want to mess with it. Yeah, all you do is hit paste and then say no. I don't want to do it this time, but you want to replace it. Skip these files. All right, and that's all you do. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I hope it helps you guys. Leave a like if it did. Leave a comment down if you're still having an issue. I'll try to help you out as best as I can. I do get pretty busy with different things, and I do work. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.
Attention viewer, if you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe.